Do you have a PayPal account but you just don't know how to cash out your money or how to link a free bank account that you can get access to your funds directly to your account and cash out your funds? So this is how I've cashed out from PayPal, and as you can see, I now have my money, and this is absolutely free as well. So the bank account that I'm talking, it's in the video. There's also a bonus feature in this video as well. Also ensure that you like this video, watch it to the end, and you can click that subscription button. I definitely want you to join me on my journey to 2,000 subscribers. And if you're interested about making some extra cash online, I believe that you should definitely subscribe to this channel as well. And also remember to watch this video to the end as well, and let's get into the
So
video.
once you're on the PayPal app, what you're going to do is click wallet. It's going to take you to this section where you will see link a bank, and also you can link a card. The option for linking a bank, you have to go ahead and click this. If you don't have a US bank account, not to worry, I will show you how to get a US bank account in this video as well. So by going to the description using my referral code, you have the chance of getting up to a $60 credit from this bank as well. All you have to do is use my referral link when you sign up. A tutorial is also in the description as well, where you can set up this free US bank account. So in order to add the bank account to PayPal so you can get your money or cash out your money from PayPal, you're going to click balance information on this banking app after you have signed up. So you're going to go ahead and copy the routing number, paste it in PayPal, then you're going to copy and paste the account number. After doing this, you're going to click link bank account. As you can see, your bank account is linked. After your bank account is linked, you can definitely go directly to your PayPal and cash out your funds. If you're not seeing this option that your bank account is linked and it's asking to contact customer service, listen carefully. All you have to do is go into Google, type in PayPal customer service, number. So right there where you see the contact us option, so for the US, you're going to call this toll-free number by reaching to an agent. If you're in any country, let them know which department or which country you are in so they can directly transfer you to an agent. You will then tell the agent that you're trying to add a US bank account to your PayPal where you can add money to your account. They will ask you to provide a verification code that is linked to your PayPal, and after that is successful, your bank account will be linked. They will guide you to the process if you're not getting this on your account as well. Also remember to like and share this video, and if this video helped you, remember to like this video, also subscribe to my channel and join me on my road to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Also, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.